Shown here is the gear shift assembly with a torn shift gate trim piece. Open the center console and locate the wrench at the bottom, yellow arrow. Use the wrench to remove the 2 trim screws, green arrows. Remove the black trim piece and start to pry the center console panel up and off. Maneuver the center console panel around the gear shift knob and place it off to the side. Now turn the key on, but do not start the engine. Leave the parking brake on and shift the car into neutral. Grab the shift knob, yellow arrow, and pull it up and straight off. It should take a bit of force to remove it. Now press the 6 black plastic tabs, green arrows, in and carefully pry the shift console cover off. Now release the 4 plastic tabs, green arrows, holding the black plastic piece holding the circuit board onto the console, and carefully pull it up and off. With the circuit board removed, you can now see the original trim piece ripped into 3 sections, green arrows. You can also see the sensors placed in the trim piece. Carefully remove the old trim sections from the rail in the sides of the shift housing. Once all are removed, it's a good idea to apply a small amount of silicone lubricant to the rails on either side and carefully work the new trim piece into place. And here's the finished results, restoring the manual shift mode. Take your time installing the new trim piece. It can be a bit tricky to get it fitted in just right. You may also need to move the shift lever back and forth a few times to get the angle just right. When reinstalling the shift console circuit board, take note of the electrical contacts as shown here, green arrow. Take care not to bend the contacts when pushing the board back down onto the shift housing. After this step, all that remains is to put the upper cover back on. Additionally, when reinstalling the shift knob, tilt the knob forward slightly. This will move the spring forward and make it much easier to push the knob back on. Thanks for watching. Be sure to subscribe to our channel and check out another video in this series.